I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise.
Yo!
Don't be afraid to let go, just a little bit more. Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise.
Good morning, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, yeah, this morning and today is Tuesday after the election, guys, and we are still waiting for results. It is well, oh Naija, it is well. I believe what God cannot do does not exist. Yeah, we are just hoping on God because He's our only hope at this point, guys. God is just our only hope, and I hope that He will come to our aid. Yeah. So, guys, welcome back to another vlog. Good morning. How are you guys doing? How is everybody? Hope everyone is doing fine. The Nigerians, I hope everybody is cool. I hope your side is cool. And yeah, I'm just here this morning, guys. I don't even know. Yeah, I just finished taking down my kids' hair, like their cornrows, because they'll be preparing for school tomorrow. Yeah, today is Tuesday, so their school is resuming on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. We don't know yet because our parents are still complaining. No, we should wait till next week for them to call the result before our kids will be going to school. While some say nothing, no, nothing is happening. They should let the kids go out to learn. But everybody with their own opinion. And because here in our place, everywhere is calm. Yeah, there's no cause for alarm. Everything went well. Nothing. It's just that we're just trying to be safe. I don't know. So I say let me just make their hair, get them ready for tomorrow in case. I don't know if they will allow them to go tomorrow or they will still start soon. Anyone shall. I just want to be ready. So that is what I'm up to this morning. Say hi. Hi. See this small madam to the crack. She want to say hi. Come and say hi. Hi. See my small madam. She's saying hi. Say hi. Hi. So she said she wants to say hi. So guys, I just finished taking that. Wait now, let me show them your hair. Their braids and their cornrows. I want to make another cornrow for them. What are you? What is that? Say bye, guys. Say bye. Bye. See your teeth. I'm gonna come say hi. So guys, I just want to start making their hair. Yeah, let me start early before the sun will start hitting so hard. So I'll catch up with you guys later.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.